Hey, what's up? What's up, man? Yo, everybody just chilling. Anywho, just wanted to make this quick fix, on how to, when you put in one of these, Android head units into a BMW 5 Series, E60, E61, whatever have you. If you've, bought one of these, I got this off eBay, right? And I put it in, I wasn't getting any sound, right? So being me, I like to fiddle with things. I don't like to leave things undone. I like to make sure every stone is unturned. This is a 2003 5 Series BMW E60, right? So as you can see, anyhow, this doesn't have the navigation in it, so plain straightforward. But however, what I did, right, to get the sound working, I could take this out and show you the wires that come with this unit, right? It's already pre-wired for the audio, right? The auxiliary. If you've coded, if you've got to have your car coded for the auxiliary already. Once you've done that, you're good to go. But however, right, a couple of videos say that you need to repin the auxiliary cable. Let me grab the one that I have here, because I had two. This one I didn't use. They said you need to repin this, right? Actually, you don't even need to repin it, right? You don't need to tamper with this at all, because it comes pinned in the correct way that it should be fitted to these units, right? It's pinned in the correct way, right? So the white goes into slot 7, the black 8 next to it, and the red goes into slot 2. That's, it's pretty straightforward. You can just work it out yourself. But however, if you're getting problems trying to sort it out, what you want to refer to is the back of your unit, right? Let me see if I can get this for you back here. Oh, hopefully this, I'm trying to help as much people as I can. Sorry about that. Alrighty, so where you see those wires there, the white, the black, and the red, that's the position they have to be in to go into this unit. They are pinned correctly for the harness that comes with the head unit, with this Android unit. They're pinned correctly. But however, on this part of it, it's pinned on the opposite side, as you can see. So you look at it, you see it's pinned on the opposite side over here. So what you need to do on your car stock, this bit that you're gonna plug into, right? Let me just get it and show it to you if I can get under it here. Right, this bit, get this to focus. This bit that comes with your car already, with your iDrive already, this bit you're not going to plug it over here, so you're going to have to retrofit the auxiliary harness that comes with this. You got to take the middle piece out and you got to retrofit it and plug it on in the other slot on the opposite side, right? Once you do that, it's going to connect, it's going to pin correctly here, and in turn goes through the harness wires that you get with the head unit, and it's going to then be pinned correctly here, and that gives you your audio. Quick fix, easy. It took me a while to figure it out, but after titivating and like being myself, trying to sort shit out, I did get it correctly, and my audio, my auxiliary audio works fine. I'm getting my music now, which I love to blast music while I'm driving. My navigation works perfect. So hopefully this helps somebody who is looking. If you do need me to show you thoroughly what to do, just comment and let me know, so that I can give you a walkthrough, break it down, and show you what to do step by step to get these head units perfectly up and running. As I can show you, let me start it up. What kind of person would I be if I didn't start it so that you can see it works fine. Right, it's gonna work. It's gonna power on, and this is the cable, the auxiliary. It goes back to here, right? So let me just grab my MacBook from back there, and all right, just give me, I'm trying to sign in. All right, my pass. All right, let's go back here. You can just, okay. And this is my Mac right here. Just plug that in. You can hear that already. Means you're live. Hold on, right, so there we go. I need to get this volume down. It's kind of loud. It just to show you that it works anyways. Yeah, auxiliary works fine. There we go. You see, auxiliary works fine. And that's how you do it. You know, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see me, you know, show you guys how to do it thoroughly. Comment, like the video. Peace out. Just a quick fix because it took me a while, so I just decided, you know, I'm going to do it to help somebody who may want to do this and maybe struggling and not knowing what to do and find it difficult. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, pretty easy. So I'm going to go ahead and, you know, finish my setting. I put my mic in and stuff. Everything's all, you know, so, and put back together, and then I'm good. So yeah, peace out.